what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to Beemer Fam. We got the M5 parked up at my boy Jayson's house, which he's got the GLE 63S, which he's about to straight pipe. So he's about to make it a lot louder. This thing is stock as is. It's pretty much just gonna do, it's gonna take all this out right here. Guess it's a proper AMG video. Jayson's got everything set up right here. I'm telling you, there ain't nothing this man can't do. He did the X pipe on my M5. That's how it sounds the way it sounds. Now he's gonna do the same to this. I'm about to head to the store, and yeah. Got the white interior on this. We got Chanel in the back. What's good?
What's good?
What if it's too much drone, or what if it's too loud, or what if it's not loud enough, or chopping into your $80,000 car's exhaust system is never, you're kind of like hold your breath,
Yeah.
Hopefully it turns out right.
Good thing you got experience though.
Yeah. If I was bolting on someone else's exhaust, like someone that manufactures exhaust, it's one thing. It's another thing cutting it off and fabricating something from scratch and hoping that all the stuff you ordered off Summit Racing and Amazon fits together in the end, know?
That doesn't get old, that sound of them. The pop is so crispy in the AMGs, man.
I never really heard AMG pops, until like the S ones came out. Because no one really ever tunes AMGs because no one, the people that drive them are old men.
So smooth, man.
Time to fill up.
Yeah, Mr. 11 miles to the gallon.
See how like it's all like bent like that, or it all restricts the flow. You're losing your total volume flow through this bend. If you buy a proper one like this, it's a smooth radius all the way through. Summit Racing, that's the way you do it. Right, this one's $5.99.
Okay.
This one's $25.99.
Oh, there we go. So now we're talking more quality stuff.
Yeah, we don't put the cheap stuff on the Benz.
No, this is the kind of shopping men do, So, not at Louis Vuitton, Chanel. We be up in the car parts store, you know what I'm saying? Right now, we're getting the car up on the lift. We're gonna have to get enough space so Jayson can get up in there and have enough space to really start working. But yeah, it should be pretty smooth. He's got a lot of clearance in there. It looks to be a straightforward muffler delete, straight pipe replacement. So, but yeah, check this out real quick. His dad is doing, I guess, a build. Basically a 2002. I'll put some pictures up on the screen, but this in a few months will be a car.
Yeah. So in the 2002, it originally comes with a 4-cylinder. This is a straight 6 they took off of a 5 Series. Board stroked. Everything is going to the new car. It's got whole subframes rebuilt. Everything's good to go. The whole rest of the piece of the car is in the basement. Once the car comes back in paint, it's going to be assembled. And that's going to be a whole other project. It might be a whole new Beemer Fan video.
There it is. Look at these wheels too.
Yeah, so those are original Alpinas.
Those are rare.
Those are the real deal.
Yeah. Also, look at this. This is where the shift knob goes. Right there. So this is the transmission engine where it connects. So what he's gonna do, he's gonna take this big ass muffler out. He's gonna cut those 2 pipes right there and right over there. Then he's gonna replace it with some straight pipes and pretty much make it sound loud as. He's not gonna go overboard and just take the caps out and the resonator's gonna be fully straight piped. He's still gonna be a reasonable guy, not pissing off his neighbors too much, but it should do enough to, cause a disturbance. Oh my God. You can hear the turbos a lot more. Oh my God. As you can tell, Jayson doesn't like his neighbors. So now we're gonna go for a ride and see what it sounds like on the inside. You can hear the throttle bodies more outside. The pops are more like bangs now.
Now we're gonna get the straightaway here, and then we'll hear some pops.
Yeah, sounds good cruising. Oh my God. Gee. Dude, that sounds aggressive. It's a must-have on your AMG, a must-have.
Sounds good. Sounds like a little rumbly, you know. Give the gas in comfort mode.
Dude, hell yes.
Let's go some Sport Plus.
Those pops are so fucking loud from the outside, bro. I'm not gonna lie, this is the ultimate like douchebag mobile.
Is it? Hell yeah.
In a good way.
Mustang's about to get murked. He wants a race. Happy?
So now we just hopped out the car. Let's get some flybys. That sounds amazing. Dude, what the hell?
Good, huh?
That is loud. Chili? Chili?
Oh, it's a little girl driving it too.
Look how basic that looks compared to this car.
Yeah, look at her exhaust. She doesn't have real exhaust pipes. It's just like trim pieces. I swear, man, those people yelled at me when I had my M4 too. They used to always tell me to slow down, but I was going the speed limit. It was just they don't like
The
loud
sound.
noises, you know.
Exactly, yeah.
So then I made it a case now to kind of give them a good rip when I pass by.
That'll pretty much do it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoy. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button to see more footage like this and just to see more AMG content. I mean, after something funny, something funny. Chanel? Why are you laughing?
I didn't know you were filming. I was like, ooh. You go back and rewind.
This is YouTube problems.
So awkward. Just try again.
Alright, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button to see more footage like this. That'll be it for me, man. Make sure you follow us on Instagram. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.